Are you sick and tired of your bumpers being all dust and dirty, drab and dark? Well, freshen them up with some Raptor Liner. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting episode with me and my dad.
No, not that your dad. I'm only 10 years older than you.
That's not what our fans think. Anyways, we'll get to that later in the story. This week, we're going to get these bumpers Raptor line. We're going to get the holes cut in for the LEDs, seatbelts in, SRS module in, and pretty much wrap up this truck for inspection, guys.
I know, it's come together in 6 episodes, I believe.
6, that's insane. That's
right.
pretty quick.
Well, I'm excited to be able to load this thing up, or actually probably drive it to North Carolina and deliver it to our buddy.
Yeah, the guy who's going to be the proud recipient of this beautiful truck. We can't wait to show it to him. He hasn't watched a single video.
Yeah.
He doesn't know what it looks like.
Yeah.
His son has told him everything because his son's super excited.
Well, that's what kids do, Ryan.
Yeah, I don't have any. 4. I have soon to be 4. Yay. On that note, let's get after it, guys.
And off we go, Ryan.
Yes.
What you got there, bud?
So guys, there's a reason why all these lights are getting put on this truck. Because the guy that we're building this truck for loves lights. He is like a light freak. It's like flashlight city. He can't go to a store and not buy a flashlight.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty hilarious.
Oh, well.
He has a flashlight he carries in his little pocket everywhere he goes. I'm
Really?
not kidding.
Is it like on a little carabiner?
No, he's
We
not.
were talking about that earlier.
Yeah, he does do the carabiner thing. He says it's because it allows him to get underneath trucks and work, so his keys aren't in his pockets. Anyways, let's get these suckers in place. They're gonna look awesome. You guys know we've already done this once, but we'll do it again.
All right.
For those fans wondering what's happening right now,
Nobody knows.
Jason is measuring everything out to make sure he finds the center of the bumper, left and right, center of the housing, left and right, and up and down, so that it's placed correctly. And you may be wondering, Ryan, why aren't you doing that? I don't care if the hole's centered, as long as it's in the middle of the bumper.
Well, the middle of the bumper is centered.
Exactly. That's what I said. Thanks, Dad.
Do you remember when I wanted to make that template for the, what was it for, Ryan? I wanted to make a template, for...
Let me insert myself here.
Wait. I'm talking to the camera. Listen,
We all know
have more
templates.
respect. Have more respect.
I'm sorry, Dad. Go ahead.
What were they for? The fender flares. That's
Fender
what it was.
flares. You wanted a template for the fender flare.
Because I thought if we could make a template, we could put it in the garage if this ever came up again.
Let me ask you a question. Has it come up again?
It has not.
Okay, good. So the template was useless. Established point. Now, what are we doing today, Jason?
All right, now we're on to plasma cutting. Ryan is gonna make me do this, so we're gonna...
This is for you, Mikey.
Yeah,
It's like surgery.
it is right. Gloves. Gloves. Glasses, all right, we're ready.
Hey, Dad. What's the problem?
Hey, Ryan, it's too close to my face. I can't see anything.
So you need your spectacles.
I do. Thank you, son.
You're welcome. Hey!
Voila.
Is that not one of the most rewarding experiences ever?
It's pretty nice.
Hey, this is kind of like when you taught me how to shave, Dad. This kind of smooths it out.
I never taught you how to shave.
So if you guys are wondering why the dad jokes are happening, we have a fan who just subscribed to our channel because of the guy who's getting this truck. And he went to him and he's like, dude, that's really cool. Your buddy works in the driveway fixing trucks up with his dad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how to take that.
You're old. Take it however you
No, but I'm only 10 years older, like I said earlier.
You're telling yourself that, Dad. Hey, see if we would have went bigger?
It would have been a big hole. You're totally right. I agree.
Excuse me, Dad. What'd you say?
I've taught you well, son. Right?
So if you're my dad, then Dwayne's my grandpa?
Yes, that would be true.
Hi, Grandpa Dwayne.
All right, hey Ryan, what do you got going on now, buddy?
So these are what's called 3-piece bumpers.
Uh-huh.
So you got your left, your right, and then your center, which is your hitch.
Yes.
And so to repair these, we're taking them apart so we can get these dents out.
Yeah.
And then we'll paint them.
All right. Well, that'll make things a lot easier, right?
It'll make it stupid easy.
Sweet.
Are you sick and tired of your bumpers being all dust and dirty, drab and dark? Well, freshen them up with some Raptor Liner. That's right, folks. For only 7 payments of $6.99 plus $4.50 of shipping and handling, your bumpers can look black and sharp with Raptor Liner.
So we got 24 ounces of Raptor Liner
And 8 ounces,
and 8 ounces of hardener.
which makes 32 ounces.
Right, and so when we filled it up, basically this ridge right here is what it says, but we wanted to double check and make sure we had enough hardener in there. So now we're ready to spray, I believe.
So let's do it. Oh yeah, here it is. Hey,
Hey, what?
what are you thinking?
Look at this. They're awesome. Those look really good.
They do look good.
Ryan.
What's up, America?
Whoa, you scared me, Ryan. Hey, a couple days later, right? Here we are inside the truck.
Same day.
Same day, different clothes.
No, I'm wearing the same thing.
Intentionally so, or you just wear the same thing every time we film?
If we film, I wear the same thing.
That's weird.
Anyway.
So we're here back in the Grey Goose. We got our seatbelts back from Safety Restore.
Yep, that's all I'm gonna say about that.
And we got our SRS module. We're gonna put those in right now for you guys.
Yep, let's do it. You ready? You ready? What's up, guys? You're about to see something. You're about to see something, yo. I'm getting aggressive. All right, guys. So we got the Grey Goose back together. Bumpers are done. Rear bumper's done. SRS seatbelts are in. We're getting ready to deliver this bad boy to North Carolina. We do have inspection and paint. And while we're there, we're gonna be picking up
The next build. It is gonna be incredible.
Amazing.
I love it. I'm so excited. Are you excited, Ryan?
Can't wait.
Are you excited, Ryan?
Get your hands off me. We're gonna be putting something out of this into something out of there.
That sounds very Frankenstein. It's Halloween, right?
That's it. Dos becomes uno.
I love it. Let's do it.
And this is the blue beneficator.
Yes.
So, comment down below. Let us know what you guys think.
Awesome.
And on that note, we'll see you later. Drummer Nation!